Number 4 is Epson EcoTank ET-3830 all-in-one printer. When finding the best sublimation printer under $400, the Epson EcoTank ET-3830 wireless color all-in-one cartridge-free SuperTank printer takes the spotlight. This printer is a true game-changer, revolutionizing your printing experience most delightfully. With its vibrant features, this Epson gem lets you quickly unleash your creativity. Thanks to its ingenious SuperTank system, say goodbye to the hassle of replacing cartridges. The printer's sleek design is complemented by a user-friendly 2.4-inch color display that keeps you in control. Speed and quality are a dynamic duo in this printer's repertoire. It churns out stunning prints at a blazing speed of up to 15 pages per minute in black and 8 pages per minute in color. The 4800 by 1200 resolution ensures every detail pops, making your text and images come to life in vivid splendor. But the perks don't stop there. This printer embraces efficiency with auto two-sided printing, saving you valuable time and money. Plus, it offers a wide range of mobile printing options, making it a breeze to unleash your creative genius from your smartphone or tablet. So if you are interested in this sublimation printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now.